I, I, I. Hello everyone, it's time for phonics. Say hi to Fred. Hello. Today we're going to learn another new phoneme. My turn, then your turn. Are you ready? I, I, I. I, I, I. Well done. Really good joining in. What's that? It's a picture. Let's have a look, Fred. What can you see? I can see an instrument. My turn. Instrument. Your turn. Instrument. Good job. Great joining in, everyone. Let's see what's next. Now it's time for my most favourite thing. Woo! It's time for Hayley to draw. Can you guess what it is? Any guesses? It's an insect. 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 We've seen this insect before. Look, almost the same. What happens if I turn him over? Look, it's an I. See? Insect. I. Insect. I. Insect. I. Let's try. We've got insect. Your turn. Good job. Well done. Now it's time for air writing. Get your pointy fingers out. Are you ready? We're going to go down the body and a dot for the head. Down the body and a dot for the head. Then draw one. Are we ready? Down the body and a dot for the head. Let's try. I. One more time. Are you ready? Get your finger. Down the body and a dot for the head. Great air writing. Well done, everyone. Right then, let's practice the sounds that we know. Let's start with today's sound. Are you ready? Insect. Good job. Mountain. Well done. Apple. Snake. Good job. Dinosaur. One more. Are you ready? Tower. Good job. You are doing so well at learning all of these phonemes. We know 6 now. That's amazing. Keep up the good work. And finally, it's time for Fred Talk. Are we ready? Fred's going to have a look and whisper in my ear. What's our word today? It's in. Right, what's next, Fred? Are you ready? Okay. it, it, it. It's sit. Right, we've got another one. Are you ready, Fred? P, n. P, n. It's pin. Right, one more. Last one. Are you ready, Fred? Have a look. T, ip, 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 tip. You are getting so amazing at your Fred talking. So bye-bye to Fred, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.